yo, so basically, I got my room upstairs right now. I'm ready to give you a whole in-depth room tour. And you know the vibes, class 23, let's get it. Bro, I keep forgetting to be like, I gotta keep this mask on, bro, because I will definitely take this off. We out here late at night and shit like that, you know what I'm saying? There ain't a lot going on. I had one more class today at like, what, 7? Bro, no, at 5:30. I should end it at 7. I think it's 7 right. I think it'll get a little early, but yo, that class is gonna be rough as a bitch, yo. You know what I'm saying? But what's up, yo? But I ain't gonna lie, that's gonna be rough, yo. At 5 to 7:30. Then I got another class tomorrow at 11, so yikes, bro. Motherfucking security guard that I was talking to him. Nigga, I'm just fucking business. I'm talking to y'all. I'm talking to y'all, the audience. Weird ass nigga, bro. But y'all, I'm ready to go finesse this little jiffy because y'all forgot my card. I'm not trying to pay $10, bro. And I'll show y'all the food we got up here and shit. If they let me do it. Like, I'm the king of finessing, so, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah, let me show y'all this shit. Fuck out of here, dickhead. That shit kind of rough. I definitely just finessed them. I just told them I ain't have my shit. And they already made my food, so what can they say? I mean, listen, I got everything already paid for, all that, but yo, I just didn't have my card. I couldn't find that shit for like the longest. I still can't find it. And I'm not trying to pay $10, so I'm gonna just see how long this is gonna last me. How long I can finesse. But yo, I'm probably gonna vlog some more today. Probably just take y'all around with me. It's dark as shit outside, bro, so I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna capture, but I got y'all on the room tour though. This probably is gonna be a whole week vlog, yo. Probably post this. It's gonna be a long video, so just know. Sheesh. Oh man, yo, this is my son right here. I had this on earlier today, and I don't know.
Don't let him get confused.
Yikes! I guess I'm about to be 20. Y'all already know. I would say what's up to the rest, but yikes, we got this. Oh, T-Spaz on my head. She not here.
She's in there.
All right, I feel you. But yeah, I've been finessing the people down there for like the past couple of days because I lost my Bulldog card and I keep saying I'm a freshman. Forgot it. And it's been writing my name down. I think they're going to be like, oh, you saw Daryl too? Because I got his name right in this student ID. They might try to text my ass. But I'm fighting the system every day I go down there, so. Because I'm not trying to pay $10 for a new one. Like, fuck. Fuck, I'm a bitch.
I only got 2 classes on Tuesday.
Yeah, same here. I got 2 classes. I got an 8 to 11 and a 5 to 7.
We got Kim 108 from 11 to 15. And then
Damn, it's like hitting me exquisitely.
Damn!
What's up, y'all? So it's the second day, you know what I'm saying? Second day of the vlog. You feel me? I found my card. I'm starving, bro. I had one early class today. Then I had another night class tonight. So definitely wishing me good luck. I want to kill myself. Let me get a quick room tour real quick. I'm going to touch on more about this when I get back in here. But this is the dining room. You know what I'm saying? You come in. Hold on. You see the D-Money ad. Before you even walk in, you see what avenue this is. It's pretty much that. Don't pay attention to none of that on the floor. We cleaning that up. It's on the renovation. You see the lights. Something light. Watching on my block and whatnot. It's that for real. Supreme bad. This is my working desk right here. All my hats, all the brims out there. Yankee with no brim. So then this is my closet. So I got the drip in here or whatnot. Oh, what? Supreme? What? So then, yeah, I would say gander over here, but I'm not gandering nowhere. This is my dirty clothes I gotta do. And yeah. Not all glitz and glamour, bro. Today is my cleaning day. So, yeah. I'll probably show that when I'm done. But right now I'm probably gonna get some food. Meet up with the rest of the honest people. And get ready for this 5 o'clock class I got. Because why the fuck did I pick a 5 o'clock? I don't know. But let's go. You know what I'm saying? Well, we got to check it out every day with that. It gets tough. You said what?
That's why I'm putting my head like that.
Yeah, yo, I hate that. I'm gonna insert it in here. We always got to check that shit when we get in here. Yo, that should be like, sometimes it be like 100. I gotta stand to the side for a second, but it could just be outside.
You know, because we be hot as shit.
Hot as shit, like, what? Hot as shit outside, bro. Oh, God. So, the part of the video that everybody wanted to know. Let's get into the room tour. Yes, sir. So, this is the part of the video everybody's been waiting for. So, let me just cut right to it. So, you know what I'm saying? This is my apartment. You know what I'm saying? That's how we do it here. Bowie Steak for real. We got the little stove, you know what I'm saying? We got a whole fridge out in the front. You know what I'm saying? I gotta go grocery shopping, but you know, hold on, wait. It do what it do. And yeah, let me get our breakdown. Boom, this is nice couches, you know what I'm saying? We make it look real home in here, you know what I'm saying? We had one over there, but I don't know where it's at. We got a games, TV, all that, printer. We got inspirational quotes, you know what I'm saying? Store, whatnot. You know what I'm saying? Albert Einstein quote. I got 2 roommates that live down there, but we're not gonna get into their room. We just gonna talk about D Money Ave real quick. Hold on. Before we do that, let me show you the bathroom real quick. Bathroom is tough. We got a handicap bathroom. So like we got the pull-out joint right here. And yeah, this really is a small ass bathroom, bro. You know what I'm saying? Whoa, I gotta clean this mirror. The chair, whoa, is this something light? Not really nothing crazy with the scale right here. You know? It's really like, it's. So out of the bathroom, you come to D Money Ave. You know what's on because they got the Supreme sticker. Am I a hype beast? I don't think so. So you see, I got the interchangeable light. I took the light bulb out. I got it from Five and Below. I just screwed a new one in. They be like, oh my gosh, that's tough. The Trap House Ave. You know what it was, bro. That's my hats right here. This is just my skin. This is skincare in this bottle, okay? Because the thing ripped, so it's not, yeah, it's not nothing else. This is for my skin. You know what I'm saying? Whoa. This is my lights. What's up, whoa? It's my lights and whatnot. This change colors. You know what I'm saying? I got this strip from Amazon for like $20. What else? This is my bed and shit just made. Whoa. You know the vibes. This is my closet. This is where all the heat at, cuz. I got oh, camera just fucking died. I tried to get boxes for the rest of my shoes, but it just didn't go. I have shoes here. I have shoes down there as well. This is the updated, you know, collection. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get some more stuff too to build upon this. That's gonna be in the next what's in my closet video. Another pair of shoes. I just keep shoes like a lot around here. Especially the ones that don't have boxes, I just keep them on top of here. I hate shoes without the boxes, no cat. This is my do-rags, do-rag collection. Even though I don't have waves anymore. This is my mini fridge. I have to restock. That's milk and water. And that's another thing of milk because my milk ain't busted. I gotta get some more stuff. This is my underneath of the bed. This is like, I put my underwear and socks in there. And then I put like my miscellaneous stuff in there. Chips. Suitcase, boom, right here. Hey guys, so this was a week in the life, bro. And as anything with college students, it's all over the place. So that's why this vlog was all over the place. But I promise y'all, I got a new vid coming for y'all in a couple days. I'm saying, D Money Finesse Kid from the Trap House. We out. Like little mama.